In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into AppWrite. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to sign in using either a GitHub account or your email and password so you can get straight to building. First, open your browser and head to the official AppWrite website at appwrite.io. Before you proceed, take a second to confirm you see the secure lock icon in the address bar and that the domain is correct. This is a simple but important habit whenever you're signing into developer tools or dashboards. On the homepage, look for the button that says Start Building for Free. Click that, and you'll be taken to the AppWrite Cloud login page. This is the gateway to the console where you'll manage projects, databases, authentication, and more. If you happen to already be signed in, you might be redirected straight to your console. Otherwise, you'll see the login options. At the login screen, you have a quick single sign-on option with GitHub. If you prefer using GitHub, click the GitHub button, authorize the connection if prompted, and AppWrite will handle the rest. You'll be redirected back to the console once the authorization is complete. This method is convenient because you don't need to create or remember a separate password for AppWrite, and it keeps your sign-in consistent with the developer tools you already use. Just make sure you're logged into the correct GitHub account in your browser before you start. If you'd rather use email, choose the standard email login field. Type your email address carefully, watching out for small typos, and then enter your password in the password field. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it autofill for both accuracy and security. Avoid sharing these details and don't paste credentials from untrusted sources. Once your email and password are in, click Sign In. AppWrite will verify your details, and if everything is correct, you'll land in the AppWrite console. From here, you can create or open a project and begin configuring your backend. If you get an error, double-check your email and password for accuracy and try again. Also, keep an eye out for any on-screen prompts. Depending on your account settings, you might be asked for additional verification. That's it. Go to the AppWrite site, click Start Building for Free, pick GitHub or enter your email and password, and then sign in. When you're done working, remember to sign out if you're on a shared or public device. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with AppWrite.